This video shows you how to install the 550 sheet tray to your printer. Turn off the printer. Unplug the power cord from the electrical outlet, and then from the printer. Open the box. Remove the accessories for the tray. Lift the tray out of the box. Remove the plastic cover. Remove the additional accessories, and then remove the pieces of tape. Open door D, and then continue removing the tape. Close door D. Open the tray, and then remove the tape. Unpack the accessories for the tray. Attach the right tray cover. Pull out the tray. Remove the upper tray cover. Using a flathead screwdriver, remove the screws. Attach the lower tray cover. Install the screws. Attach the upper tray cover. Insert the tray. Remove the cover under the right side of the printer. The printer has 2 handles and 3 finger recesses for lifting. The printer requires 4 people to lift it. Align the printer with the 550 sheet tray, and then lower it into place. Pull out the standard tray. Install the screws. Insert the standard tray. Using the brackets and screws, secure the rear part of the 550 sheet tray to the printer. Connect one end of the power cord to the printer. To avoid the risk of fire or electrical shock, connect the other end of the power cord to an appropriately rated and properly grounded electrical outlet. Turn on the printer.